If you are a child or family photographer and you're posting on Instagram and Facebook and your photos don't get a lot of attention, I have a few tips for you that I tried on my own social media for years, and I hope that you can learn from those mistakes that I've made. Rule number one is that we don't post one photo and we don't post one horizontal, so like landscape mode photo anymore. We used to do that many years ago, Instagram and Facebook, but now it all changed. Right now we post carousels, so more than one photo where people can flip and look at different photos. It's just so much more engagement, and they spend so much more time on your photos when they have to flip. Plus that we post now portrait mode photos, which is a shame because I love my landscape mode photos, but they are so small on a phone that they don't really get a lot of attention. What you can do instead of that is, for example, make a little collage out of your photos, of like 3 photos horizontal and put them into one vertical. Rule number 2, first 3 seconds matter. If you post a reel and nothing happens in the first 3 seconds, people are not going to watch your reel, even if it's the best. After those 3 seconds, nobody's going to be there. Make sure that in the first 3 seconds there's something going on, like either a movement or emotion or anything, especially for people that's shooting their backstage. If they're just kind of like, setting up their lights and there's nothing going on, people will likely just move on. So make sure that there is something interesting in those 3 seconds. Rule number 3, reels should not be slideshows. And I've seen that a lot of times, and most likely it doesn't get a lot of attention because there's no movement. From a video, we expect to have more movement. And if it's just a still photo and then another still photo and another still photo and there's nothing, at least you just put some kind of words so people can read. But make sure that you don't just post a slideshow as a reel. Post any video, backstage video would be great. Say something, either just written or just film yourself talking about whatever somebody is seeing on the screen, so they know what you meant by posting that reel. Rule number 4, and that may be surprising, Instagram is not so much about technical perfection. So a lot of people will be very, very focused on getting their photos super sharp and only posting what's really high quality. Whilst you cannot really see that on Instagram or Facebook, what you can see are emotions, smiles, cute faces, any type of emotions. They don't have to be happy emotions, but emotions matter more than technical perfection. Rule number 5, keep it consistent. So when I go to somebody's Instagram and I see lots of different things, like a black and white photo of a person, then some kind of a forest, then a bug, then a car. So, and every photo has different colors. I don't really know why I should follow that person. So if you want people to come and hit that follow button, you want to show them what is it that you do, and you want to keep some kind of consistency. As much as I understand that at the beginning a lot of people will experiment with their style, so they don't really know if they like black and white or if they like color and so on. That's fine, because we don't actually know. And as long as you're posting as just like your personal page where you can express yourself, that's fine. But when you move your Instagram into a level where you're trying to build name for yourself on the internet, you want to make it look consistent. So people will come, you will see what kind of photos and why should they follow you. One more tip at the very end. I think that the captions matter. So a lot of people will just put a photo and they're just gonna say like, this is beautiful girl, and that's it. Whilst right now I feel like caption you can add something with the caption. You can tell what you liked about the photo, why you liked it, what was so special about this moment. So sum it up. Unfortunately, Instagram is not your portfolio. It's more about showing who you are as a photographer. So once again, carousels over one photo, reels that have an interesting first 3 seconds, and emotions and consistency, that will make a huge difference. If you liked this video and you want to see more, videos like that, make sure to leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to record more of those videos for you.